All right, welcome back. I literally just did a recording and we're doing this again, and we have one more to do today because I'm a little late. For everyone who's new here, I'm showcasing my 3D audiovisual engine live. As you can see, I'll be clicking all the buttons. But yeah, let's get straight into the song and hope you guys enjoy this more slow-paced, beautiful track.
Those golden eyes and pretty smiles. I needed you to follow me. I needed you to follow me. I'm in repair and I can't sleep at night. I needed you to follow me. I needed you to follow me. I'm in the rain and I can't sleep at night. I needed you to follow me. I needed you to follow me. 'Cause we don't know where to run. 'Cause we don't know where to hide. Cause I want you, I want you, 'cause I want you.
Look at that peaceful, serene scene.